Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is smokedjewls. How y'all doing? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And today we're going to go ahead and do the May 2020 unboxing box. Okay guys, so this is how the box comes. She is a USPS first class mail service box. Now it does come with your address and where it's coming from. It does have the fragile stickers on the side because it is glass, and I will go ahead and link a discount code down below. Now this is once again the May 2020 80s subscription box. For the bad angle, guys, I'm still trying to figure the angles out or see how to do the setup, but I'll get it better. Just watch. Sorry about that. But to start off the box, we are gonna get the extra large airtight pop top container, and this is a pretty big container here. Now you just pop it open, and it does come with a little name tag that you can put anything on there, your name or what it is. The next thing that comes up is the raw lanyard and roachy clip. Now I'll go ahead and put the piece to the side here, and let's go ahead and open the bowl. Now this bowl is a premium 14mm Mel glass bowl, pretty good size. And if the glass ever shows up broken, if you go ahead and email them within 48 hours and show them the broken glass, they'll go ahead and replace it for you. And next up out of the box, we have the full-size neon clipper jet lighter. Now I was confused on this lighter for a bit because it wasn't like a normal lighter that I have seen before. So let me go ahead and get the other clipper. Give me 1 second. So this is a clipper that we got in before. Now this does have the poker tool on it, and it's one of those that you go ahead and roll back the wheel to go ahead and ignite, and you get a pretty good flame from here. But for this one, it actually is a push down. So you push it down and it's like a torch, so it's a much stronger flame, and it got me really excited. Like, next up, we have a Daily High Club sticker set. This does come with the big Daily High Club one, or the Daily High Club logo. And then we do have the small Daily High Club with the small little snow cone on it. Up next is our Royal Blends extra large 2-pack of great hemp wraps. These are one of my favorite hemp wraps. I love these because they burn super slow. Next up on the chopping board is the Beeline Organic Hemp Wick. This is once again to go ahead and use and light up to not use all your lighter fluid, and keep that flame going. And I'll show you later on in the video. And sorry about my nails, guys. I'm about to paint them, so hashtag leave Britney alone. I'm just joking. Up next is our Zigzag Organic Hemp Rolling Papers in the king size. And I did have some video issues where I didn't record the unboxing of the big piece, but look at it. Here it is, guys. This is the Daily High Club brick phone pipe. This is the one that comes in this piece for the May unboxing. Now it does feel like a sticker in the front, but it is not. It does say calling Daily High Club, to let them know that you're enjoying Smoke Jewel reviewing their box. And this in the back is one of the pieces that I did make myself. Look how pretty. You talk about pretty, girl. Woo! But here it is with the bowl that did come with the box. And look how sleek that looks. It fits so perfectly in there. It looks really nice. And imagine this all jeweled up. So we're going to go ahead and jewel it up later on in the video. So go ahead and subscribe down below just to not miss that. Now here we have everything that came in the box here. Now this is a really unique piece. I really like that glass. It's really nice. Keep in mind, I'll link it down below so you can go ahead and get a discount. Don't forget that, so go ahead and click it. And one of my favorite things on here that came or in this box was, of course, the clipper torch and the extra large hemp wraps. Let me go ahead and open them up so you can go ahead and get an idea of how they look. And one thing that's cool about this is it is a resealable bag. So if you go ahead and open it and you're only going to use one, you can go ahead and seal it up. And oh, the smell of it, like I wish we could have smell-o-vision. Like the smell of it is so nice. But this is how they come in. They each are individually wrapped around that plastic, and they are a little too moist. I just like dry it out a little and then I go ahead and use it. But see, if you don't use them, you just put it back in and plop, zip it back up. But that smell, guys, it is so amazing. Definitely, if you ever see those, get them. Well, let me go ahead and show you how the wick works. So let me get the clipper lighter here and light it up for you. And look how quick that lit up. So you'll be saving on the fuel for the jet. And if multiple people have to use it, just go ahead and pass it on down. And this concludes our May 2020 unboxing from Daily High Club. Keep in mind you can find me at smokedjewls on all social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I do upload every Fridays and do teasers on Tuesdays. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you next week. Bye guys.